All right, y'all, it's been about an hour and a half since I put that chuck roast on. Old Char Griller Gravity 980 is getting it done. We're gonna take a quick look at it. You can see I'm getting some nice color, some nice smoke. I'm only cooking at 250 again. I'm truly smoking this. So I like the way this is going. And I just put my pot on, so I'm gonna braise it right here on the smoker. But I got my pot with my cooking liquid. I got some peppers, I got some onions and some other goodies in there. And I'm putting that pot on there now because in about another hour, hour and a half, I'll be braising it in there. But I don't want to just put that in the cold liquid because then that'll stop my cooking. Can you dig it? So we're gonna let this heat up while this finishes smoking. You know, killing two birds with one stone. So yeah, that's looking good. I'll give y'all another update. Like I said, my trusty old char griller, and of course, the good charcoal is getting it done for us. We'll check back in about an hour.